In this Border Connect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage terminals for your company. Creating terminals for your company in Border Connect is helpful when sorting or assigning user accounts, driver profiles, and truck profiles to specific locations if your trucking company operates out of multiple facilities. User accounts that are assigned to a specific terminal will view times in Border Connect associated to that terminal's time zone, for example. Once you're logged into Border Connect, to create a new terminal for your company, hover over Account and click Company Details. This will bring you to the Company Details page, the hub of all your company's administrative data in Border Connect. Now, a few sections down from the top, you'll see your terminals list, where you can quickly view a list of terminals entered into Border Connect for your company. To create a new terminal, just click the button New Terminal. You're now on the Add Terminal Warehouse page, and first from the top, select the type of terminal this is. Then, the name of this location. Next, enter the time zone that this terminal is located in. Then below, the address information. So enter the physical address, city, state or province, and the zip or postal code. And lastly, the phone number of this terminal. And if this terminal has a specific fax number associated with it, you can optionally enter that here as well. Perfect. Now that you've entered your terminal information, you can click Save on the top left, which will bring you to the Terminal Details page, where here you can quickly review the information you've entered for the terminal. Now, click back to Company at the top, and it'll bring you back to the Company Details page. Only this time, you can see below that your new terminal has been added to your company, where you're now free to assign users, drivers, and even trucks to this new terminal. To change terminals assigned to users, once you're on the Edit User page, go down to the Terminal Office field below, and just click the terminal to change the terminal. Then, click Save at the top. And for a step-by-step tutorial on how to create users in Border Connect, click the link at the top of the video now. To change terminals assigned to trucks, once you're on the Edit Truck page, click Show All Fields on the top right, and the terminal field will be revealed below. And just select it to change the terminal. And click Save at the top. For a step-by-step tutorial on how to create trucks in Border Connect, click the link at the top of the video now. The same applies when assigning drivers to specific terminals. Once on the Edit Driver page, on the bottom left, the Terminal Office location, select the terminal you'd like to assign the driver to. Then, click Save on the top. And to learn how to create drivers in Border Connect, click the link at the top of the video now for a step-by-step tutorial. You can also easily manage your terminals. To do this, once you're on the Company Details page, just scroll down to the Terminals List section where you can view, edit, or even delete terminals if they're no longer in use. Or export the list of terminals if they're CSA-approved locations so you can download them and use them in your third-party software.
Hi. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this. Or sign up to Border Connect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.